guys, I'm Husband with WTI, and drinking wine is something I really enjoy doing with my husband. But we actually don't drink the whole bottle in one night. And that's why these reusable wine stoppers from Eruinfang with a heart shape have been super useful. Because as I mentioned, we don't drink the entire wine bottle, and that's why we need something that will offer an airtight seal to extend and preserve my open wine bottle. This one's suitable for most wine bottles. It's a standard size, and it's just great not only for wine but for champagne or whiskey, soda, or any vinegar bottles. Isn't it so cute? I love the heart shape, and I also love the material. It's lightweight, but it's also durable. It's made of metal. I also like the fact that it's reusable, so you just wipe it off and use it again with your next wine bottle. It can also be a great gift for a newly married couple, or these can also serve as souvenirs for a wedding. So if you're a wine lover, you should get these. This is actually a set of 3. So in case you open 3 bottles in one night, again, it doesn't have to be specifically wine. It can be any other type of bottles. Then you'll have 3 stoppers to use. See how cool these are? I really love the fact that they have a heart shape on them, but also that they're really useful, and you don't have to drink that much wine in case you live by yourself or you're only 2 people who don't drink much wine, but you still enjoy it. I think this is useful, is something that you love and can serve as a gift too, and that's my point of view.